Hi friends, today topic is the switch statement in core Java, and previously I will explain so many topics: if condition, loop, object, methods, data types, etc. And today topic is switch statement in core Java. And for now, thank you for watching and please subscribe my channel. Switch statement case is used when we have number of options or choices and we many need performing different tasks for each choice. So many number of options are there in switch statement and may need perform different tasks for each choice. For different options in providing switch statement, that particular option perform a different test test activity task for each different for any different option we perform a different task. Okay, let's start the video practically. Let's start and I'll create project. After one create package, I'll create one class name is this is one switch and public static void enable. Let's create the I will create some scanner. This I will import one scanner package. Import already scanner. I will tell you in previous class. I will util. I will import Java. I will import package. I will import dot scanner dot util dot scanner and I'm creating scanner object. Scanner s equal to new scanner system dot in and control space enter value a and store the value a is equal to perform an scanner or methods perform an action. Scanner action is observing data enter value b and int b dot scanner is a perform an action. The particular action observing values and choose choose one option space enter add multiply division subtraction sub and the three values I will these three are optional and let's start the int. Let's choose option ch s dot performing scanner activity s dot let's do perform switch statement exact switch syntax we provide it. Switch ch case 1 break. Will mistake that syntax. I want that syntax. I will go syntax, and first we will create one case ch. Okay, case 1 break, case 2 break, case 3 break. Okay, let's start. Switch. Let's start that particular multiple activity. Option 1 multiple activity a plus b, division multiplication a multiple b, a minus b, a subtraction b. These are the controllers. I will misdid one syntax. That syntax is default. Default is a unnecessary. Default is a when creating one object in default, when sometimes we creating not suitable values, and that's a reason not enter valid values. That's the reason we creating this particular default. Default is a one please enter valid, sorry, please not valid option, not valid option. Controllers, let's run this program. First I will explain it detailed way. First I will import the Java scanner. The scanner I will the scanner syntax I'm explained it previous class, and the scanner is a class, and the scanner object is object, and object is importing and scanning values, and enter the a value and storing a, enter the b value storing b, and choose one option and a b, and one option choosing, and any option choosing ch is enter one creating add, and enter 2 multiplication, enter 3 sub sub division కదా, sorry, division substituting and 3 values, first add and the second multiplication 3, and let's run this program and enter a value 12 and b value 10. Choose one option. I'm clicking on 1. 22 is printed, and again I will run it. I will got default value 1 and 2, and I will enter 4, 4, 5. 4 is a not valid option. Is a not valid option is printed. This is a default behavior like this, and like again I will show to enter 12 value, enter 12 value. I will 2 multiplication 400, sorry 1 for 144. I will again run, enter 12, 12 and set and 0 is 0. This is the switch, entire switch statement is there, and this is the switch statement overview. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe my channel. Thank you guys.